In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable the automatic spell checking utility in AOL Mail. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is sign into AOL Mail and select the settings button up at the top right, and then go down and select more settings. On the left side, select where it says writing email, and then scroll down, blur out these two things here. Where it says check spelling before sending a message, initiate spell checking, go ahead and toggle that to the off position to turn that off, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.